In the early 1900s, the automobile was a rich man's toy. Each car was a masterpiece of sorts, painstakingly hand-built by a team of skilled craftsmen. It was a slow, inefficient, and incredibly expensive process. But in the mind of a determined Michigan industrialist named Henry Ford, a revolutionary idea was taking shape. He didn't just want to build cars, he dreamed of building a car for the great multitude, one so affordable that the very people who built it could own it. To do that, he had to completely rethink how things were made. Ford's genius wasn't in inventing the car, but in perfecting how it was built. He found his inspiration in an unlikely place, the meatpacking plants of Chicago. There, he observed a disassembly line where carcasses moved on hooks from one worker to the next, each person performing a single specific task to break it down. Ford had a brilliant insight. What if he reversed the process? What if he built a car by moving it to the worker instead of the other way around? In 1913, at his new Highland Park factory, Ford put his theory to the ultimate test. He introduced the first moving assembly line for automobiles. A bare chassis was pulled by a rope across the factory floor, stopping at station after station. At each stop, a worker would perform one single simple task: attach a wheel, install a fender, connect a wire, over and over again. The car, not the man, did the moving. The results were nothing short of a miracle of production. The time it took to build a single Model T car plummeted from over 12 hours to an astonishing 93 minutes. With this incredible efficiency, the price of the car dropped year after year, falling from $850 to under $300. Ford's dream was coming true. But the work was mind-numbingly repetitive and worker turnover was high, so Ford made another revolutionary move. In 1914, he introduced the $5 day, more than doubling the average daily wage. It was a masterstroke. Not only did it stabilize his workforce, but it also turned his own employees into customers. The men building the cars could now afford to buy them. This wasn't just the birth of a car company, it was the birth of modern mass production and the American middle class. Henry Ford's simple, powerful idea put America on wheels, created a new economy, and forever changed the landscape of manufacturing and the world itself.